What's good with y'all? It's METXXRO. I think I'm gonna start doing it. No bullshit. I ain't gonna lie. I'm low key trying to think of shit to add to my intro. Let me try that again. All right. Hold on. Close your eyes and look away. All right, look now. What's good with y'all? It's METXRO. What's good with y'all, man? We back. I don't know if that shit was cringe, but I'm gonna watch this shit and probably never do that shit again in my life. But until then, yeah. But, hey, man, what's good with y'all, man? It's been like 5 days and we back. So, we back, man. I ain't gonna lie. Call of Duty came out. I've been grinding my ass off on that shit and just chilling. So, hey, man, if you got me on IG, you know, like I've still been trading shit. I post when I lose. I post when I win. I post when I don't trade. I post all that. So, if you ain't following me on IG, make sure to click link in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? You can ask me about trading. Anything about trading and just be like, if you got any questions, you just want to interact with a trader or some shit, you know what I'm saying? I follow back and shit. I'm not no Hollywood nigga. So, we could talk about trading, you know, if you ever need advice on like trading questions or something like that, just hit me up, let me know, I'll respond. Just don't be asking me no weird shit, you know what I'm saying? Don't ask me no what size shoe you wear, like none of that weird shit or none of that shit. I don't know. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I had a couple motherfuckers ask me some weird shit on there. But I'm not gonna get into all questions and shit. But hey, man, follow me on IG. If you got any video ideas, follow me on IG. Shoot me a DM. Be like, hey, bro, I feel like this would be a good video. You know what I'm saying? You never know. Your shit might get in a video. So all aside from that, appreciate y'all support. Y'all been showing. Y'all always be going crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm never gonna be able to stop thanking y'all because y'all always be going crazy. Me personally, I don't really have a lot of, would you say, clout. I'm low-key like a underground person. I don't have Facebook. I got Twitter, but I don't be on there. So my only thing is really IG, and I don't really talk to a lot of people, so I don't really have like a whole bunch of support, you know. So I just post videos, and I got a couple people who, you know what I'm saying, reposted shit, you know. They check out the videos, like my IRLs and shit, but you know what I'm saying, hey man, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all it's possible to make it without clout. No bullshit. As long as you know what you're talking about, your information is real, you gonna make it. No cap. But today's video, man, you know, we got the motherfucking notebook in this bitch. But yeah, feeling like the market is against you. We all been there. A lot of people are still there. That's where they stopped at, you know, because a lot of people, once they feel like the market is really against them, they like they got cameras and shit in their room. They tweaking and shit out. They look like they click by, and the market start going. They start looking like, what the fuck? What the fuck the camera at? You feel me? Thinking niggas is watching you. Like, bro, don't know. Like, you got $100 account, bro. Nobody watching you, bro. Don't nobody want your little $100. It's hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars, trillions of dollars being traded, bro. Nobody's after your $100, bro. Come on now. So you know, we all been there before. You know, we all click and trade, buy or sell. As soon as we get in the trade, it go up a little bit and it just drop or it go up. So, I mean, it happens, you know. It's fine to think like that, but you can't stay stuck in that mindset forever, bro. It's just not gonna work. It's not a healthy thing to stay in. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I tell people though, you know what I'm saying? The markets is technically against us all, because who the fuck wants to get free money? So look, let's stay on the market, right? But like, hey bro, come over here, man, you know what I'm saying? Come get this bread. You don't even gotta put in no work. You don't even gotta do shit. Just place a trade. Come on, bro. You feel me? You can, man. I'm giving you bread. I'm willing to give you bread for not putting in no work, not back testing, none of that shit. Come on, bro. That's cap. The market's not like that, bro. It's not like that. You gotta put in the fucking work. It's that simple. You can't just come on here. Now I know a couple motherfuckers who, like, when they first started, they'll luck out, but that luck don't last forever though. You might make you a couple hundred and be like, damn, this shit easy. I grew $50 to $250 and you just started. Now, like 2 weeks later, that shit, bro, yeah, I blew that shit, bro. I think that was beginner's luck. No cap. Shit happens though. Real shit. But my first reason is the market is against you. It's that simple. You want the profits, you gotta do the work for it. Cause all this shit don't come easy at all. It's just that simple. Like, the markets is really against us all. Like, bro, if you let's say, if you're willing to give somebody something, you want to see them at least work for it to, like, you know what I'm saying, see that they want it for real. Cause who the fuck? Well, me personally, if I'm like, let's say if I'm giving somebody a shout out, I'm not gonna get nobody a shout out just because they ask for one. If I see you grinding, like you really putting in work, I'm like, you know what I'm saying? He deserves it. Fuck it, I'll give him one. You know what I'm saying? So you got to work for this shit, bro. Like, the market is against us all. It's not just no sweet shit. This shit not sweet, bro. If you want this shit, you gonna have to work for this shit and you gonna earn this shit. Now, if you make profits, then you earned it. You feel me? It's just that simple. Like, you got to put in the work for the shit you want, bro. So basically, I'm saying, I'm trying to see. I already said that. But yeah, let's say, you know what I'm saying, you know, you get in a trade and like you literally just get in a trade, right? And so like I said, you get a buy or sell and it instantly go your opposite way. That's called market timing, bro. Well, not market timing, but that's just called basically timing. Like, you gotta know, that's all it is timing. You gotta understand where to get in, where not to get in, and also this is so important. This is so important. How to understand that you missed the move, bro. Like, I'm guilty of this too. Like, I did this shit, I think maybe like 3 weeks ago. I'm not finna sit there and cap to y'all. I'm not a fucking, hold on, let me fix my shit. I'm not a professional trader. I'm not a professional trader. I'm not gonna say it. I still work a 9 to 5. I'm not fully profitable. I'm not that, bro. I'm not that. I'm not gonna sit there and lie to y'all. And you know what I'm saying, I still make mistakes and shit too. Profitable professional traders, they always make mistakes too. You know, shit happens. You know, we not perfect. But you gotta know when you gotta understand when you miss the move, bro. Cause let's say I trade NASDAQ, if it's going up, and I'm just like, damn, I'm not really seeing the setup, like I know where I can get in at. Don't just get in. Don't just get in after all the momentum happened, cause all that time that you spending just looking at it where you could have got in beforehand, you're just watching the whole move happening. Now you want to get in after the move has, like, you don't know the move is about to end, but you get in because oh look, it's been going up, so it gotta keep going up, right? Nah, nigga, that shit's done. Your ass about to get cooked, and so is that fucking account. Your shit is gone. But you have to know, that's important, man, because a lot of people, they just get so greedy to trade, and they feel like they have to trade or they have to be in that trade. Like, bro, just look, man, just be patient with the shit. Like, just be patient. Don't let your emotions be like, damn, bro, think about it, bro. If you don't get in now, you're not gonna get in at all. And that you got to be fine with that. Like, some days you don't get trade and set up. Some days you do. Let's say some days I might see a setup and I get in and I might win. Some days other people, the exact same day, they be like, I didn't even see a setup today. And you got to be cool with that, bro. You got to be cool with that. Like, some days you don't make money. Some days you lose money. Some days you make money. So, god damn, throat, fuck. But yeah, you have to be cool with it, man. Like, that's real shit. You got to learn how to do that shit, bro. Because just getting in and, like, if you can't understand that you missed the move, you're going to be struggling for a while. I'm just going to say that right now. You're going to lose a lot of money. Number 2, it's just the business. It's just how the way shit go. And if you can't understand that, this just isn't for you. This is how Forex works. Like, a lot. Like, people win, people lose. You know what I'm saying? If you're not on the winning side, you're on the losing side. Unless you don't trade at all. But, you know, if you win, somebody loses. If you lose, somebody wins. That's just how it goes, man. Like I said, somebody's always losing when it comes to Forex, and that's just how it is. And if you can't accept that, then shit, better take your ass to that 9 to 5, bro. Take your ass to that 9 to 5, or go find something else, because this shit is not for you. You have to hold accountability and understand there's things you can do to be profitable even when the market is against you. For example, look deeper on how you trade, understand the markets, and work on discipline. There's always things we can do to get better in the market, but there's only so much we can do. And, you know, it's mostly us to I'm trying to say how to say it. What's the word I'm looking for? Damn on it, bro. Oh my god, I hate when I do this shit. It's on us to determine if we can be profitable or not. You know what I'm saying? Now, sometimes the market does happen where you do everything to perfection with your trading plan, being patient, and it just don't play out. Then you have to know and understand, okay, I did everything I was supposed to. The market just don't play out sometimes. That's cool. You have to understand that and just stop blaming yourself. But you have to know when to blame yourself. You got to really know, okay, you know what I'm saying? Look at the trade again that you just took and lost and be like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, this cool. Okay, this is where I fucked up at. And if you don't see anything where you messed up at, then just be like, okay, here's the market. But some people like to just blame it on the market and just be like, okay, no, it just didn't play out, when you actually had a flaw in your plan. You got to know when to be accountable and when to just be like, okay, it was the market, you know? But a lot of people, I feel like, don't really know when to be accountable, and they like to just blame it on the market. Oh, the market's a scam, Forex is a scam, you know, etc. shit like that. You gotta know how to be accountable in Forex, bro. You have to know when you fucked up and be okay with it and just learn from it. That's it. Like, just learn from it, bro. Like, come on, man. It's you just gotta know when to learn from it. Like, it's not hard. You just have to be like, okay, you know what I'm saying? I fucked up. We gonna get this shit right, and we gonna bounce back. That's the mindset you gotta have with this shit, or else you gonna be forever stuck, or you gonna quit Forex and leave with that mindset like, oh, Forex is a scam. The markets are against you. They don't want you to win. You know, it's impossible to be profitable and all that shit. But you just gotta know when to just accept the fall and be like, all right, I fucked up right there. We gonna get it right next time. Like, you gotta be accountable for this shit. And you know, the market's against everybody. Real shit. The market's like, and you can't even, honestly, I feel like I'm cool with that. Like, real shit. Like, if you don't want to give somebody something easy and you know, like, damn, they ain't even have to do nothing for it and they just getting money like that, you gotta put in the work for this shit, bro. And if you're not okay with the markets being against you, well, against everybody, and you have to actually put in work for something, then I don't know what to tell you, bro. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Like, real shit. You put in the work, you get the results. You don't put in the work, you don't get those results. But the last thing I gotta say is just work hard and find the errors you have with your emotions or trading plan and really work on them. Like, I mean, really work on them. Like, really study it and really find the flaws. And you will see progress, or else you'll be stuck. Like I just said, saying the markets is against you when they're against everybody. But that don't mean you can't win. Like, just because the market's against you, don't mean you can't win. But it's like a little video I had planned. I'm about to get ready. I just finished my workout, finna get ready to go to work and chill for the night, man. Well, chill after I get off work. But I just wanted to drop this video, and hopefully this helps somebody understand, like, you know, you're not the only one. All of us, a lot of people may not speak on it, but we have been in that stage where we have feel like the markets is against us. But you have to mature and be like, okay, the markets is against me, but there's still things I can do to, you know what I'm saying, better myself and be profitable. You know, you just gotta accept it and just accept it for what it is, man. But at the end of the day, it's up to you. You know, you gotta learn how to control your emotions, look in your trader plan, and even change the trading plan if you got to, bro. So, hey, man, this is the end of my video. Hopefully I have a great trading week. Hopefully y'all had a great trading week. My trading week was decent. But it's MET XRO looking ass. I'm never doing that shit again. Fuck the intro.